Present perfect. Present continuous.
Hello, my friend, come sing with me. Learning English joyfully. Today's the time, today's the way. Let's learn present tenses today.
Clap your hands, tap your feet. Feel the rhythm, keep the beat.
Present tenses one by one. Learning English can be fun.
Every morning, every day, this is what we always say.
I play, you play,
We play,
they play,
but
he plays,
she plays.
it plays.
Subject plus verb one. That's the way it's done.
He, she, it, and s. Remember this with happiness.
I drink water every day. She reads a book every night. He goes to school every morning. We study English together. We play football every Sunday. Birds fly in the sky. The sun rises in the east. My mother cooks delicious food. My father drives carefully. The baby smiles every morning.
Every day,
Every week, habit facts, that's what we speak.
simple present, simple present.
Sing it every day. Sing today, learn today. ES grows in every way. Rules and examples clear and bright. We'll remember day and night. Come on, everybody, sing with me. English is the place to be.
Look around, what do you see? Something's happening right now with me.
I am singing, she is dancing, he is smiling.
They are laughing. Am, is, I, then verbing.
That's the present continuous swing.
I'm reading a book, she is cooking dinner. He is watching TV, they are playing football. We are learning English, the baby is sleeping. The birds are singing, the rain is falling. The teacher is explaining, the students are writing.
Right now, here Dean of this Harry moment, we all say,
Am, is, verbing.
now it's happening.
Let's all say.
Now is now, don't delay. Present continuous saves the day. Sing together, loud and clear. English learning has no fear. Finish now, but don't ask when. The result is here again. Anna finished, she has arrived. We have cleaned, they have won.
Has, not free.
Easy as ABC.
Karen has eaten my lunch, she has completed her homework. He has washed the car, we have visited Mumbai. They have watched the movie, the train has arrived. My father has returned home, the baby has fallen asleep. The teacher has checked the papers, the rain has stopped.
Done already, can you see?
Has, vera, free.
Present perfect, sing with me. Has a have, verb three. That's the rule for you and me. Practice day, you'll agree. Playlist grows like a happy tree. Started with coal, still today. The action hasn't gone away.
I have been reading, she has been cooking. They have been playing, we have been learning.
Sing it softly, keep on singing. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been cooking since morning.
I have been working all morning. We have been waiting for an airwave.
They have been playing since noon. The baby has been sleeping for 3 hours. The teacher has been teaching since 8. It has been raining since morning. My father has been driving for 2 hours. My mother has been talking on the phone for 30 minutes.
Six birds, remember more.
Started before, still today.
Six perfect, continuous.
Hip hooray!
Simple present, comfy time.
Present continuous right array.
Present perfect, done today.
Present perfect continuous still this way.
Habits, actions, results, time. Learning English feels sublime. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Present tenses, know them more.
Sing it once.
Sing it twice.
Learning English
Let's all say,
I can speak English every day.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए